Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your TransferWise or Wise account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, can you link or connect a credit card to your TransferWise account as a payment method? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your credit card to your TransferWise account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes cash is kind of tight and sometimes you have to pay your contractors through TransferWise. So maybe it's easier for you to use your credit card this month. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your TransferWise dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my TransferWise account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your credit card to your TransferWise account, you're going to click on your name up here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the right and you want to scroll down until you see payment methods. Go ahead and click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see these two options and you want to click on saved bank cards. Okay, in order to add a credit card, you're going to need to either send money or add money to your account. For the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and click here, add money. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and list how much you want to add to your account. So let's just say $3. Okay, so this part is really important. So first you want to choose your currency. Next, you want to go ahead and choose your payment method. By default, it's using my bank account, but you want to click on change here to the right. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this credit card. Now just keep in mind that the fees are higher for a credit card when you're connected to your TransferWise account. So you can see right here, if we use a debit card, it's only 4 cents, but for this transaction, it's going to be 20 cents. Also note that your credit card could charge you a cash advance fee and also a cash advance interest rate, which is usually higher. So if you're okay with that, click on credit card. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the complete fees from TransferWise. So if I'm sending $3, it's actually going to cost me $3.20 to use my credit card. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter in the 16-digit credit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. Also, you can go ahead and choose to save the card for future transactions. That way you don't have to enter the credit card information every time you send payments. Also, one thing you want to note right here is they only accept Visa, MasterCard, and some Maestro cards. So you can't use your Discover and you can't use your Amex, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your credit card to your TransferWise account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.